welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is stage as the intake of liquid material across the cell membrane. A. Phagocytosis, B. Endocytosis, C. Exocytosis, and D. Pinocytosis. So the correct option is D. Pinocytosis. The next MCQ is chitinous cha is the property of A. Leeches, B. Insulestoma duodenale, C. Both A and B, and D. Ascaris. So the correct option is A. Leeches. The next MCQ is reverse transcription match DNA copies of A. Host RNA, B. Viral RNA, C. Host DNA, and D. Viral DNA. So the correct option is B. Viral RNA. The next MCQ is which of the following disease is caused by paramyxovirus: A. Hepatitis, B. Herpes simplex, C. Polio, and D. Measles and mumps. So the correct option is D. Measles and mumps. The next MCQ is dash is responsible for half of the greenhouse effect: A. Chlorofluorocarbons, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Methane, and D. Nitric oxide. So the correct option is B. Carbon dioxide. The next MCQ is which of the following is correct in case of active membrane potential: A. Extracellular sodium is high, B. Extracellular potassium is high, C. Intracellular sodium is high, and D. Intracellular potassium is less. So the correct option is A. Extracellular sodium is high. The next MCQ is the right atrium receives dash blood through dash: A. Deoxygenated vena cava, B. Oxygenated vena cava, C. Deoxygenated aorta, and D. Oxygenated aorta. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following does not contribute to the opening of stomata: A. Lowering the osmotic potential in guard cells, B. Lowering of solutes in guard cells, C. Increase and potassium level in guard cell, and D. Transport of water from neighboring cell into guard cells. So the correct option is B. Lowering of solutes in guard cell. The next MCQ is goblet cell secrete: A. Gastrin, B. Hydrochloric acid, C. Pepsinogen, and D. Mucus. So the correct option is D. Mucus. The next MCQ is the thick and waxy outer covering of leaf as the characteristic of A. Hydrophytes, B. Xerophytes, C. Mesophytes, and D. Halophytes. So the correct option is B. Xerophytes. The next MCQ is biomass of plant is equal to A. Gross primary production minus respiratory loss, B. Gross primary production, C. Net primary production, and D. Both A and C. So the correct option is D. Both A and C. The next MCQ is plasmid has which of the following characteristic: A. It is extra chromosomal DNA, C. Can replicate independently, C. It is in circular form, and D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. The next MCQ is which of the following does not belong to phylum Arthropoda: A. Mosquito, B. Sisypli, and D. Snail, and D. Housefly. So the correct option is C. Snail. The next MCQ is in vortex mixing eggs are placed in an agitator with A. DNA and silicon carbide needles, C. DNA and probes, C. DNA and plasmid, and D. None. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is dash are supported and protected by neuroglial cell: A. Glands, B. Muscle cell, D. Nephron, and D. Neurons. So the correct option is D. Neurons. The next MCQ is natural selection may result in increase of or decrease variation that are: A. Non-heritable, B. Heritable, C. Acquired, and D. Both heritable and non-heritable. So the correct option is B. Heritable. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.